My name is Anenda John Ogutu. I'm a UDA candidate in this grassroots election. This is a Bubango polling station. We have found out that Kimskit had a problem. Instead of the category of those candidates appearing, all of them, it has been a technical error whereby each category, only one candidate has been appearing. That when a voter comes in, he votes one candidate per each category cluster. Instead of 3, like for example in the farmer, we are supposed to vote 3 candidates in that cluster. The cluster of MSME, we are supposed to vote 4 candidates. The cluster of religious, 3 candidates. The cluster of professional, 3 candidates. Cluster of members, 2 candidates, then 1 special member. But the mistake that has been going on with the Kimskit is that one candidate appears on every cluster. So at the end of the day, when a voter comes out, he votes only 7 instead of 20. But one voter is supposed to vote 20 candidates. But this one has been bringing only 7 candidates. So we have found out that problem, and we are talking to the returning officer so that the correction can be made. If possible, we get even a new Kimskit and we restart the process. So far 6 voters had voted, but we have said the process stop until we have a Kimskit that goes with the regulation of the party. Because we have been educated about this, we have been sensitized about it, and we understand the process. So as a candidate who is vying at branch level, constituency level, I have noted that concern, and I'm raising it so quickly so that we get a new Kimskit so that the election can continue smoothly. I've talked to my members to be very calm as they are sorting out that issue. So we hope the party will react very quickly, the supervisor, constituency supervisor, to react very quickly and bring a new Kimskit so that we don't delay this process. Thank you.
What time did the process start?
The process has started very late. It has started at 10:30, almost to 11, and we're supposed to start at 9. So there was some logistic hiccups on deployment of the kits because of the weather. Yeah, the weather pattern has been very bad in Budalangi, as you understand the terrain. So as we were taught in headquarters when we went for sensitization session, we were told there will be some extension of the time. When we start late, we will be given extension.
Tumeanza ilikuwa ni kama saa 5:30 hivi. Lakini tunaona pia kits ingine iko na hitilafu, ni kama tumengoja ingine ikuje. Ukikiliki watu wamesimama watu 4, na ukikiliki inakuja picha ya mtu mmoja na jina mtu mmoja. Sasa wamesimamisha kwanza, waende walete ingine ndio kazi iendelee.